Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're navigating the world of online dating in 2025, you might find yourself in a situation where a match just isn't working out. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to unmatch someone on Tinder. Whether it's for safety reasons, a change of heart, or just bad vibes, knowing this can help you keep your experience positive and drama-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Tinder account on your phone or tablet. Tinder's interface has gotten even more user-friendly by 2025, but the core steps remain simple. Start by opening the app and heading to your Matches tab. You'll see a list of all your current conversations. Scroll or search until you find the person you want to unmatch. Once you've selected their chat, tap on it to open the conversation. Now, look for the three dots or the profile icon in the top right corner. This is your gateway to more options. In the 2025 update, Tinder has made safety a priority, so you'll see a menu pop up with choices like Unmatch or Report. Go ahead and select Unmatch. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure. It's there to prevent accidental slips. Just tap Yes or Confirm, and poof, you're unmatched. It's that easy, but let's talk about why this matters. Unmatching removes them from your matches and deletes the chat history on your end, though they might still see it briefly on theirs. For extra privacy, consider blocking or reporting if things feel off. Tinder's AI-driven features in 2025 can help flag potential issues. Remember, your safety comes first, so don't hesitate to use these tools. If you're new to Tinder or just want more tips, stick around for our next video on optimizing your profile. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more dating hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.